Are the bed cables on your truck frayed and broken, kind of like this one on my old Ranger? Well, you got to replace it. And if you don't know how, I'm going to show you how. Basically, you got two bolts holding your cable in. You got one right up here, and then you got the other one connected to the bed. In this case, they are a, if you can see that, T45 bit. So you're going to do one at a time, because if you take out both, well, the tailgate's gonna fall on you. So just do one at a time, back it out, put the new one on. All right, there's that side. Again, you just take this bolt out and then take the bottom bolt out and swap it on. And this was the old one. As you can see, this was on its last leg. So here's the other side. There's the old one, there's the new one. As you can see, the old one still appears to be in pretty good shape, so I could have just left it on, but I bought these in a 2-pack from Amazon, and they were like 11 bucks or 12 bucks. It's better off just to swap both of them out. Don't wait for something to break. Just do it right the first time, and save yourself the headache for later on. There you have it. You got two brand new bed cables holding this guy on. You can now load stuff on there with confidence and not worry if one is gonna break. Hope you guys liked it. Hope that was helpful. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. I got plenty more videos coming this spring and summer. We're gonna have a real busy next couple of seasons on Jimmy's Garage. So thanks for watching, guys.